Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add the Rolls Royce Cullinan to Grand Theft Auto 5. First, you will need a few essential tools to modify your game files safely. Then, we will find a high-quality Cullinan mod online. Finally, I will guide you through preparing your game environment for a smooth installation process. This ensures everything works perfectly. To begin, you will need OpenRoman4, which is crucial for editing game archives. Next, download ScriptHookV and CommunityScriptHookV.net. These enable custom scripts. Finally, search for and download your desired Rolls Royce Cullinan mod file, ensuring it is from a reputable source. Always check for compatibility with your game version. Now open OpenRoman4 and activate Edit Mode from the top menu. This allows changes to your game files. Carefully navigate to the Mods folder, then Update, x64, and DLC packs. Create a new folder for your Cullinan mod and place the files inside. Remember to back up your original game files before making any changes. The final step involves editing the DLClist XML file to register your new vehicle. Add a line referencing your Cullinan mod pack. Save your changes, then launch Grand Theft Auto 5. Use a vehicle trainer, like Simple Trainer, to spawn your brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan. Enjoy cruising the streets in your luxurious custom ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.